All right, well, I don't know how you guys can hear me through the GoPro, but we're gonna use the GoPro for this little adventure. Ella and I right now, we parked in Flagstaff. We're going to go to, hopefully we can find a good sit down, like coffee spot where Ella's allowed, get her some water. And then I gotta do some stuff, I gotta pay some stuff. We got the Wonka glasses on, let's go. And then there's a couple stores I wanna check out, and then we're headed to our next spot. Let's go. Get out, guys. All the astronaut stuff we have going on. So sick. All right, so we paid some bills. We got Ella chilling here. Boom. And then we are going to be heading out of here. Let's get it. Ella, chill. Well, I think it's time to get back into the Jeep and we're gonna head on out. It's been a good little ride. We've been seeing a bunch. She's loving it, just out and about. I'm loving it. Didn't realize how cooped up I was myself, but yeah, about to head out. We'll see you guys at the Jeep. Hey, go. Come here. What is this, Lala? Lala, what is this? What is this? We just came to the park real quick, get some last minute energy out of her. Go. Ella. Come here. It's been a great day in Flagstaff. Next off, I want to say the hat, the Smile Movement hat, they're available on the website, along with many other hats and a lot of available merchandise. Some of it's going to be gone soon, so get it while you can. Workbyeggy.com, links in the bio as well. But that's going to do it for Flagstaff. I think we're going to head back towards the valley, actually, and we're going to go find a camping spot for a couple days, I hope. I've actually never stayed in the same camping spot for like multiple days, so hopefully we could do that today and tomorrow. But it's now 12 o'clock, time to head out. Let's get it, Ella. Oh. Alright, so we got a game plan. She's being loud back there, freaking, hold on. Shut up, gas pump. We're actually headed out of Flagstaff. We're going to be headed back towards the valley. We're going to either what's my first camping spot I ever went to. It's called Hobbitland. Shout out to Hans Ventures. Or we're going out to Bartlett Lake. I don't believe there's any snow at either spot, so that'd be super nice just to like set up for the night, set up for 2 nights, maybe a third, I don't know. But on our way there, we might have to like think about grocery store and getting some new groceries. So we'll see what's going on. But I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Let's go. Hey. That's beautiful.
Oh, absolutely.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Holy. That's cool, Ella. That's cool. This way. Over here, over here, over here, over here. Oh, you about to jump up that? Oh! How'd you jump up that? What the hell? A bunch of fire spots. Like there's a fire pit over there, one over here, but I think we're gonna just put this one because you guys can't really see it. There's a big angle right here. You kind of see in the blanket. I want to move the blanket back so then we just have a nice little seat. I want to throw the fire right here. It's gonna be a nice little beachcation. Steely kisses on the carpet. That'll be fire. A little cheating, but hey, does the job, does the job. Let's go, steak night. I was in here just chilling. Yo, what's going on, guys? Hey, real quick, I didn't end up saying goodnight in this part of the vlog. I probably just ended up going to sleep, but I wanted to tell you guys the next dock and everything after this is when the training really starts. So I really appreciate you guys with all the support. Hit that freaking subscribe button, guys. It's free. Do a like, hit a comment, and guys, share this out. I love you guys. I appreciate this. And guys, there is so much to come this year, and I appreciate you guys with everything. Let's go, Smile Gang. Oh! That car is stuck, and there's like this gap over there. This is gnarly.